Alright, we have this Razer. By the way, the battery is running low. It's interesting. The user bought it second hand, and they were told that the graphic card was replaced, which doesn't make sense. Like this one, the graphic card is part of the motherboard. How do you replace the graphic card? And the issue is it's got those weird colors on the screen. Maybe artifacts, if you like to call it. Hard to say. Okay. I'll show you what I mean by the problem. This screen looks so odd, and the brightness on the keyboard doesn't do anything. All the text colors look weird because it has reported problems. Let me see if they try to install drivers and whatnot. And screen is not doing that 240 hertz. It seems to be already overheating. Fan is going off. And they've just turned it on. So I don't think he can communicate with the GPU to get temperature information. Wow, fan noise is quite loud. DDR5 RAM. Wow. Fan noise going out of the... It's going really loud. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, this is bad. Yeah, this is bad. The hardware is not in a healthy state. It is not a driver issue. Temperatures are quite normal. Let's do a quick inspection. And see what actually has happened to this guy, if anything. The user said they bought it second-hand. Such a new computer. How can you buy it second-hand? I had a user who bought a new cable from me. No wonder why they ripped it. Okay. That's for the case, I think. Yeah. So you cannot replace the GPU on this, mate. And the air vents are not that blocked. It's not able to get temperature information from the GPU. So what I'm going to recommend, that we don't touch it. Get them to go through warranty, as this is not normal. It's quite new, so interesting. They have this pad here. Yeah. Not gonna do much on this, unfortunately, but that will be it. If you do anything on it, it will be potentially killing the board. It could have issues with maybe the MOSFETs on the GPU side, maybe MOSFET driver. Anything along those lines. We've seen this fan behavior on Macs when they can't get temperature of a certain component for safety. They will max out the fans just in case, because they don't know what temperature is the component. Yeah, what a shame. Okay, we'll leave it at this and let the client know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.